Do this and you will feel fabulous till you don't find the right innerwear. You've probably had a glimpse of our color analysis session. Well, where women are feeling truly amazing, the kind of potential they feel with their newfound colors, and the joy where they actually feel they found themselves back again with the right colors. But are you truly feeling yourself? Because if you have not found the right innerwear, well, no matter what kind of style you wear or you belong to, trust me, it's not complete. And that's what we addressed with our workshop, where we created a safe space and an unfiltered conversation with our students who wanted to learn all about their innerwear and truly discover their potential and what they can do with their newfound confidence with the new innerwear, because the information is completely out there but still spoken of so little. People don't know the kind of access we all have, and the internet is such a powerful medium where we actually land up getting every single thing. But because of too much information, sometimes you tend to forget what to filter out, and that is exactly what we did with our workshop. We've discovered and helped women discover their true size, true fit, and mistakes they've been making in the past, which they should avoid. Definitely, we deep dive and discuss all about finding you the right bra, different kinds of innerwears and shapewear that works for your body type and for different kinds of clothes. And we truly believe in building confidence from within, and we do a small exercise about how to affirm and manifest your confidence. And this was truly a room full of giggles and honest opinions and honest stories. After the workshop, I remember going back to a few conversations where a few of them haven't even tried wearing sleevelesses because they were not confident enough. And some of them hadn't even tried a body fitted top because they were not wearing the right innerwears. Well, these are some things that I reflect back, and I hope and I think they've actually started implementing a few things that we discussed during our workshop. And that right there is the reason what I do, why I do. Because I love building confidence, and I've always dreamt of doing that. Somehow, I remember being that girl at the bus stop who's always wanting to build confidence with women, apply those small tips and tricks, and help them just believe in themselves. Frankly speaking, even I was one of those girls who wanted someone who would just tell me that do this and you will feel fabulous. Well, today I am being that person who's helping women feel like themselves, helping women build confidence from within. And that's the only reason why I do what I do with all my heart. And if you've missed this, well, don't worry. This entire session is going to be live on my YouTube channel. And if you felt unsure about your innerwear, trust me, you will get all your answers there. If you felt unsure about your innerwear, well, without any judgments, this one's for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel because you would definitely not want to miss this one. And to everyone who's joined me live, well, thank you so much because you made this a safe space and all real with real conversations, and everything that we've built together is a beautiful community where we've built a safe space for everyone to discuss about their inhibitions and just bring in your story, and we will be helping you and guiding you through it. And to those who've just discovered this, well, welcome. You're in good company. Trust me, this is a good one with a cup of chai or coffee and an open mind. I'm sure this is worth it.
I see the shirt we bought together. So I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Karnika, for doing this for my audience today.